EduAid students. My name is Sushmita. I scored 98.33. My subject marks were in English I got 97, Hindi 93. Other subjects like advanced maths 100, social science 100, science 100, general maths 100. And EduAid classes have actually helped me a lot. Especially, I would like to thank all the teachers for the doubt sessions they arranged for me. I just took help from him. I asked him that if I could do something to score better in translation. So he said to me that to solve the question bank, send me the answers and I will check it. He checked it personally. I sent it in WhatsApp and he checked it personally. And then I was able to score actually better. Concept clear part, EduAid classes both asile. Karon jetia doubt even ki ketiaba mor ratiu doubt thake, to message pathai di unote morning jetia time pa send kori diye. Hetu bhal lagise ki doubt regular mane doubt solving classes asile, ako personal doubts ka pathaleo unote send kori diye. Mane school or pohar logot EduAid classes rakhile actually doubt or kare bahut help hoy. Utilize the sources you get. All the sources, not only like you will depend on a particular source. You have to go along with the school. You have to take along with other coaching centers, and even if you take tuitions, you must take help from even the EduAid classes, because for doubts, actually mainly for doubts I will say, and for concept clearance, doubt solving is must. And EduAid classes arrange a lot of doubt solving classes. Ketiaba school miss ho jay. School miss hole we can say the teachers that amak guti aapko eta class arrange kori dibo, like dinor class ke aapko bujhabo. It is not possible. Actually, it's not possible for the teachers. So ami live classes thakbe. Live classes attend nokorileo ami pisot goi pela recorded classes gan chabo paro. আমি কেতিয়াবা এনেকুৱা হৈ যায় কি আমি ঘৰত নাথাকো বা কিবা বেলেগ কাম আছে, মিছ হৈ আছে ক্লাছ ৰাতি যেতিয়া মানে যেতিয়াতে টাইম পোৱা, তেতিয়া লাইক মিডনাইটো কেতিয়াবা আমি টোপনি নাহে, তেতিয়া টাইম পালে তেতিয়া চাব পাৰি আমি। তো ৰেকৰ্ডেড ক্লাছেছৰ কাৰণে ভাল হয় EduAid ক্লাছেছ।